So friends, this is a Blue Sky channel and I'm start new series here for control panel and my last video completely my all of Windows 10 these settings. Okay, all of video complete here and you can watch in my playlist channel. So first all of you want you know about everything options here. So first you can see systems, everything you want personal settings and account settings, update and security and different type privacy and ease of access. Why this type give you know uh, Windows in Windows 10. So this is only for Windows 10 series last complete my. But today I'm showing new series and completely we discuss every control panel options very deeply because I'm just not showing overview. I want only give very more knowledge for systems. So I'm click on here and control panel. You can see here control panel and Windows 7 you can see start menu right panel. Okay, so I'm just showing control panel. Okay, so control panel system you can see here. Okay, so control panel and click on start menu here and this is the right pane side control panel Windows 7. Okay, and Windows 7 operating system control panel and Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows save anything you can open third system this side this type same control panel here Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 98% and click on large icon because this is a category wise defined of all options here. Okay, so this is a very important for every computer user because all of settings depend 98% in control panel because every options you can manage your control panel from this type. Okay, so click on large icon because this large icon system all of showing systems options. So you can see here every options why give in Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows Server 2003, Windows Server 2008, Windows Server 2008 release 2, Windows 2012, Windows 2012 release 2, Windows 2016, Windows 2019. Every Windows operating system they must add this type control panel every options here. Why give this type options? Because all of 98% control every computer settings from here. Okay, so you use Windows operating system, so you must know about why give these options. I will discuss very deeply and practical. Okay, so watch video my these all of video by part wise, not continue because very long time take this video. So one by one part wise I will discuss with every options. So you can see here every computer work from operating system and hardware and software and network. So basically everything depend settings. So settings every software base, hardware base, network base and different type available in the different field sites. So first we are discuss only control panel. What is a control panel? Control panel is a main control your systems, control your behavior operating system, control your computer. How can we add advanced security? How can we use different type features available in your computer? And this is a very important feature and very useful for your computer and your friends. So you can tell your brother, your friends, and you know your instructor and different types. So like, share, and subscribe my channel. So first we are discuss only administrative tools. What is the administrative tools? So administrator means, you know about administrator. Administrator means main power of main user. So administrative tools means different type using your computer, by tools. So this is the administrative tools. I will discuss this first in this video. So what is a administrative tools and why we are add administrative tools just like this everything systems here. So administrative tools available all of Windows operating systems in a control panel. All of control panel same option available in Windows 2003 after every Windows operating system. So first you must know why we are using this type every options here, because every feature depend on special behavior, special feature, and special control your systems. So we cannot change without your computer, your settings. We cannot change without your knowledge, without knowledge. So why I'm discuss control panel in my channel, because some YouTubers not showing IT field and not showing these type of control panel options, because they are always you want pay. So I'm just give free advice and very important this every options. Okay, so very deeply I'm discuss with your computer, your systems, everything. So you using a laptop or desktop, anything, but you install Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows anything, Windows operating system, Windows 2003 later. So this same time setting 98% same time setting every here. So click on administrative tools, and I'm first discuss this type administrative tools. You can see here every options available for administrative tools, and these options always different other options. So why we are discuss what is a the fragment. So what is a component services, what is a event viewer. So I'm first discuss component services. So what is a component services? So why we are using component services in the administrative tools, and why these give option by Microsoft company. And you can see here different types of options available just like services, and you can see here small arrow here. Okay, this is a create shortcut by administrator installer tools. So automatic by default this creates shortcuts. Click on administrative tools and click on component services. You can see why using component services. Component service means every component means your component don't direct work, just like mouse, mic, speaker, CPU, RAM, any hard disk, your any motherboard, and your motherboard ports, motherboard. This is a motherboard I will discuss in hardware video. So different type monitor, display. This is a component. Component means devices. These all of devices work only these types system. Okay, so you can ID of component services and service of component for manage. So this is a manage from your component your ID, your drivers, and your component services. Without three type system, you cannot work here. Any devices just like USB pen drive, USB mouse, USB keyboard, and the different type available in your options. Just like give other options your component. Just like I'm new give example mouse. You can see here large icon, you can view window, large icon, small icon, list, everything you can see here. So this is my first Windows component, and every this type options available in you can know. So this is the first my open your Windows in control panel, because I will discuss in different type option available, but same 95% every Windows system you can take help from here. Okay, so you want what is a more, you want a more Microsoft Management Console in what is a snap-in. So snap-in means this type you can see Windows. Okay, so what is a component service you want more know about, you can go online and know about that. So first Microsoft Management Console, this management MMC every for computer helping. Okay, so this is a very important component services. Okay, so first off we are discuss a component services, and so first I'm already told you. So I'm just discuss how can we identify IDs and how can we identify services files and services. So what is a ID? ID means give different type every component, every mouse. You can see action pen, action services. So action pen inside you can see more action. You take more view actions, large icon list, and different type available in this option. So every computer work not directly. They are need first services, drivers, and you know source file. Source files mean main file, computer file. So you can see left and forward arrow. So why this type gray. So this I'm click on inside, and you can see here left arrow blue type. I'm going back side. You can see here, and I want to go inside forward. So you can set here. Okay, same different same option available all of menu in Windows control panel systems here. Okay, so you can see first. So this is a very important for back and forward arrow. Okay, so this is a control your behavior, not need a more back side, not need. You can adjust your back position, forward position, this type arrow. Okay, so you can see first forward means you can go in this folder. So computer, you can see here computer in what is a computer inside in different services available in. So first you can see up one level. What is a up one level? You can see here I'm going again, and you can see going outside. Up level you can exit from these sort folders, anything. You can see show hide and console tree. This is a console tree. Okay, so what is a console tree? What is a, so this is a left side, you can see console root inside every console tree. So this inside option, inside one option available, lot of option available. So this is a console root. Okay, left side you can see here console root, and different tab option inside options. Okay, so what is the event viewer I will discuss later, but component service we are discuss only for in video component services. So you maybe delete some files folders, but in component service you cannot change, because already by default operating system properties you can see you have not give option for permission for deleting. And you can see here different type options, what is all options available in different type work. So first we are discuss why we are work for in component service. Component service every working for component means component means all of your mouse, your keyboard, your anything, that is your component. So this is a component services, one type of give your access your component services, your files, your data and data inside different type way for completely work with your systems. So just first I'm just discuss with uh, component work with not directly. Component need just like I'm new mouse available in wireless biometric scanner with, but what is I cannot directly attach in my computer. I want first driver, and driver after automatically not install. I want install manually, but advanced USB type mouse automatically install. But I'm giving new example. You coming with a new device with your mobile control your systems. So you are coming with a mobile, your new mobile. I'm just give example, and not you have drivers, so you cannot control your system. You can see your new next properties. After what is the properties, this is the my properties. Okay, component folder is my properties. I cannot directly delete because this service not available. Create a new object. You create new object for new services, large icon, small icon, and this type same. Okay, same options here available. So this is a quick access for this menu, and this is a different type options available. You can effect your view consoles here. Okay, so large icon, small icon available in your computer, and different type. Check your systems by look. You set your systems. Okay, so what is the name inside? So my folder name computers, you can see here, and what is the status here. Okay, so status inside you can see you can see here. Okay, and these windows here you can see left side my every systems available all menu. So first component services here you can see, and every this type available all of computer control panel windows every systems. So I'm again you can see here home share view every windows available in windows. Okay, so you can see here this tab menu in windows 7 not available, but windows 8, windows 8.1, and windows 10 available this type. Okay, so you can see here quick access, and what is a quick access. Okay, but I'm just talk about windows component services view you can see here. Okay, so first off you can see view means you large your folder, large icons, and different types way for your access your systems, and you can work fast. So you adjust your mind and your thing. So first we are discuss three systems. First you can see in these windows three type available console root inside, three type options available: component services, event viewer, and services. So friends, this video very long here, and I will discuss in component services part 2. So what is the event viewer, what is the services, and what is the component services. So how many type of technologies available in component services, and why using component services, I'm already told you. So component services is one type of components, some services, and some systems here. So this is a very important for your computer, and some administrator tools this here. So this is all of a control panel settings available in your all of Windows operating system, just like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows Vista, Windows Server 2008, Windows Server 2008 release 2, Windows Server 2012, Windows Server 2000 release 12. So this is the one type of component service how can we using. I will continue in part 2. So click on bell icon and click on subscribe button, and click on like button for me, my motivation. So thanks for watching my video. I will continue this topic here.